Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. You can see that this patient has some very deep, thick, sticky wax. It's actually going right down on top of the eardrum, so this poor lady's been feeling really blocked up since just the start of the new year, since Christmas, New Year time. Does a lot of swimming, felt blocked up after coming out of the pool one day, has tried everything to unblock this, and you can see it's really, really thick, sticky stuff. So has been put a bit of oil in here. I think there's been some sodium bicarb going in here as well, so everything got in here to try and loosen this up. Come through today to try and get it out. And what you can see is that we're getting a grip on this with the suction, but it's really thick, hardened up, sticky wax. So I think this problem's probably been going on for a little while, but where the water's been going, it's just been helping to shift it along and create gaps to allow the sound through. Really trying to pull this down at the moment, trying to hold on to it with the sort of microsuction to get a really good grip on here. Starting to wiggle it back and forth. It's very sticky and very thick stuff. It's always awkward when it's deeper in the canal like this. You may have noticed that we are coming up to episode 300 soon. So we have got a couple of little things that we're thinking about trying to do. It's whether or not we could actually get them to go. You may have seen 300 plus 1 day. The reason it's 300 plus 1 day, 300 will go out on its normal day. But we've got something else planned for the day after. I couldn't do it on the same day because it is my lovely sister-in-law's birthday on that day, so I couldn't do it in the evening, but we're going to do it on the Saturday instead. So stay tuned for that one. There will be some more information coming through on social media, so check out Facebook, check out the YouTube community page. We do lots on the community page, so keep your eyes on that one. And good news, I've also ordered some more rulers. They have arrived today. I'm going to send you a picture of those because I made a bit of a mistake when I ordered them, but yeah, I'll keep you posted on that one as well. So you can see we've introduced a little bit of olive oil in here to try and loosen this wax away from the canal wall. The main reason I'm doing this is because the wax is so sticky, the olive oil forms a barrier against the skin. So as we lift the wax away, it doesn't then automatically stick to the opposing canal wall. So it does help to loosen it off. You can see how stretchy this is as it's coming away here. There we are. So it's all slowly working its way out. Trying to hold the suction on that top section. This last piece here is really, really firmly wedged in. It's due to the fact that this patient does a lot of swimming, so they have got a certain degree of swimmers here. You've got this little lump on this left hand canal wall. Now what's happened with the wax is it's gone that deep that it's actually dried behind that bump. So as I'm trying to pull it forwards, what's happening is that the bump is actually holding it in place. I can't pull it past that section. So at the moment I'm just probing different areas of the wax to try and see if we can loosen it enough to be able to get this away. Here we go, just starting to see this slowly breaking down. Now we can just get our first glimpse of the eardrum. You'll see you've obviously got the wax there at the base. Top right hand corner, the suction tube is blocking the view a minute, but the top right hand corner you'll actually see a greyish tinge. That's the eardrum sitting behind, so you can see this is all been impacted down on top of the eardrum. Altogether not an easy one to do because of its position. You can see that ridge to the left hand side there. You can see that the ear canal's gone more sort of elongated, more of an oval shape, and that's that restriction to the canal a bit further in. Olive oil's gone back in again. That accounts for why the screen's got a little bit blurry at the moment, so we'll just clean that off and go back in. It's always difficult when you have olive oil sprayed around here. I have put a good dose of olive oil in here as well. Because this wax is sticky, it's going to be adhering to the eardrum, okay, at the back. So I'm going to have to be really, really gentle with this and just hold the suction just away from the wax ever so slightly. You can see it's starting to pull into the end of the suction there. I've got such a good grip on this at the moment. There is a little bit of blurring, but I'm I've got such a good grip, I don't want to lose that. There we go, you can see it all getting sucked into the end of the suction machine. Got a grip on the end there we go. So this whole thing's just peeled away from the eardrum. Sliding this down the canal. And when we take a good look in there, now you can actually see where the wax was stuck. See all that to the right hand side where it was stuck to the actual drum itself. So this is the patient's second ear. Not as blocked up on this side, but there was a piece in there. We don't want the same thing to happen on this side as well. So we're just going to remove this section. Much easier removal. You can see it's much closer to the outer part of the ear canal. It's coming away from the canal walls really nicely. And if we lift at this edge, just slowing it down, you'll see the whole thing peels away. There we go. And jumps towards the suction there as well. There we are. Lovely. And we can start to see the eardrum there at the top, so we're just going to take the little lump at the bottom there. There's the eardrum there, quite a pronounced, you can actually see the tip of the malice there. So this is what we moved. Sorry, this was still the time of the misplaced ruler, so you can see there's no measurements on here. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.